Today I'll show you how to easily fill a shape with text in Photoshop. Begin by adding your text, then right-click your text layer and choose the option Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T so you can rotate it. Hold the Shift button to scale it down or up a little bit to fit your image. Right-click your text and choose the option Warp, and what we're trying to do basically is we're trying to perfectly fit the text with the object that we have here. And after that, duplicate your image layer by dragging it to this button right here. Put this new layer on top of everything and hide the original layer. Hold Alt and click on the top layer to create a clip and mask. And as you can see, the object has been cropped into our text. After that, unhide your original layer and drag it onto the new mask button. Press on the mask and hold Ctrl I on the keyboard to invert it. Now, while the mask is selected, activate the brush tool, set the hardness to 100, and make sure that this color is set to white. And basically brush over your object. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.